Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we will show you how to remove and replace camshaft position sensor guys on a 2.4 Multiair engine. That engine guys, it's been used on Dodge Dart, okay, it's been used on Jeep Cherokee, Jeep Renegade, Jeep Compass, Chrysler 200 and Fiat 500X guys. It's the same engine, 2.4 Multiair engine. So stay with us guys, we'll demonstrate on Dodge Dart, but it should work on every vehicle I mentioned. We guys have more than 200 videos on this engine alone and every car we get at the shop, because our mission guys is to save you as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment below and let us know if the video was helpful. So let's start on it now. So as you can see guys, Multi-Air engine right here, 2.4. So what we need to do now, okay, that cover right here guys, okay, it has 4 clips, one in each corner that hold it down. So what I need to do, just grab it, okay, and pull on it, okay, and eventually guys, okay, that thing comes out. Perfect, okay, it's out. Now, looking at the engine guys right here, okay, as you can see that wire, if we follow that wire, this is your camshaft position sensor. If you guys need to buy a replacement one, we'll have the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Also, all the tools that we use in our videos can be found as well. So, what we need to do now guys, right here there is one nut that we need to remove. So for that, what we're going to need, okay, we're going to need guys a 10mm socket right here with a little bit of extension. It will be very convenient, okay, and we'll go ahead and remove the nut now. Why we do that? So we can guys remove that cover right here, and that's the cover that protects it from the exhaust heat. So install it later guys, don't forget about it. Nut right here. So I'll go ahead, pull that out, okay, you can see like that. Now how we remove it, deep socket guys, deep 10mm socket, but before that I will show you what we need to do to remove the wiring harness. That brown thing, pull it back, okay, let me grab it a little bit now. I will pass the camera so I can get a screwdriver guys and show you what we are going to do. Okay, right here we need to pull that brown thing up, okay, like that, so we can unlock it. Now we can press down, pull it out, okay, and you can see the wiring harness is disconnected. Now we need to get the same 10mm that I was just using a few seconds ago, the deep socket, otherwise you won't be able to remove it. You can even use a wrench I think, but I would recommend to use a socket so you don't mess your bolts up. Okay, very short one, just like that. So we'll go ahead, remove it. Now grab your sensor, do not twist guys, you need to pull straight up. You can just wiggle it back and forth a little bit. Okay, like that. And this is your camshaft position sensor. Now you have an O-ring right here guys, and that O-ring, if yours doesn't come with one, make sure you get one with an O-ring, because otherwise you may develop an oil leak. So that's how you guys remove it. We'll have the link in the description of the video below. Please check it out. Thank you for watching guys, and see you next time.